Rights and duties of children. Choose the correct answer. This is the against Indian law. Children below 14 years working in industries. Polio drops are given to children. A set of rules of a country is known as the Constitution. Which of the following is not a right of children? Getting driving license. The Indian Constitution is the lengthiest constitution. If a foreigner stays in India to get Indian citizenship, 12 years. There are four major child rights. There are many diseases that spread through water. Safe water is very important to avoid diseases. The government is responsible for providing free education to all. Fill in the blanks. All over the world, there are different policies and rights. We should not change our seats in the middle of the class. The original document of Constitution was handwritten. It is to ensure every child has access to minimum standards of food. There are many vaccines and drops which are given to children. Every child has the rights to go to school and develop life skills. All children below 14 years have the rights to go to school. Children have the rights to be protected in all circumstances. No person should hit or harm children. All elders should help to create a safe environment for children to live. Match the following. Child helpline number 1098. Vaccines. Products from diseases. Wash. Sanitation. Citizen. Member of a country. Child labor. Illegal. Spreading awareness. Wash. Elders. Create safe environment. Scared. Feeling fear. Renovate to repairing something. Constitution. Set of rules. True or false? The child has the basic rights to get polio drops. True. There are the same rights for all age groups of children. False. All children of age 6 to 14 years should be employed. False. Hitting children is wrong. True. Children should be aware of bad touch. True. Wash programs are also a part of right survival. True. All children below 14 years should not have the right to go to school. False. We should wash our hands before and after food. True. There are laws to punish people who touch children inappropriately. True. Each one of you has no right to express and share your opinion. False. Unscramble word. EACCVIN. Vaccine. EATVONER. Renovate. NIOTUTISNOCT. Constitution. NTIOACUDE. Education. OURLAB. Labor. Answer in a single word. Which is the lengthiest constitution of the world? The Indian Constitution. What must be followed in class? Many rules. What should not be changed during the middle of the class time? Seats. By which name a member of a country is called citizen? Who sets rules for citizens? Constitution. How many years are necessary for a foreigner to stay in India to set Indian citizenship? 12 years. By which name the set of rules of a country called Constitution? Which set the citizenship rules? Constitution. How was Indian original Constitution document framed by handwritten? To help the country work together smoothly, which laid down certain rules? Constitution. Answer the following. What are the three parts of your body where no one should touch? Lips, chest and between legs. What are the different rights you have as a child? I have the rights to go to school and have a good education. I have the right to have healthy food for growth and development. Write a short note on the right to survival. It is to ensure every child has access to minimum standards of food for healthy growth in all children. There are different rights for children below the age of 6 and between 6 to 14 for their growth and development. Have you ever used your right to participate? Describe. Children have the right to participate in the matters related to them. This includes giving suggestions, asking questions, and making decisions in things that affect them. Why are rights important? Rights are important because it helps all people to be responsible citizens of our country. Does the Constitution make citizens responsible? Yes, it helps all people to be a responsible citizen of our country. What are the four major child rights? Rights to survival, rights to development, rights to protection, rights to participation. What does WASH stands for? WASH stands for water, sanitation and hygiene. Do you know that coming to school is your right? Yes, all children below 14 years have the right to go to school. If you see children around you not going to school, what will we do? I will go and talk to their parents. Maybe I can bring them to school tomorrow. Who are called child labor? Children, those who are working to make a building is called child labor. What should we do if we see children working around us? I will call the child helpline number 1098 and inform. Are there any other rules to protect children? No person should hit or harm children. It is wrong to hit children. Answer in detail. Right to protection. Children have the right to be protected in all circumstances. Indian government has set laws for the same. There are laws to punish people who touch children inappropriately. All our need to do is keep an eye out for danger and be confident. No person should hit or harm children. All elders should help to create a safe environment for children to live. Thank you.